Hello, students! Today I am going to be talking to you about my family. So, my name is Marianne, and my family are my favorite people in the whole world. So, I am very excited to tell you about them. This is my family. There are 5 people in my family. This is me. This is my brother. This is my father. This is my mother. And this is my sister. We live in Georgia, but we are from Canada. These are my parents. So my parents are my mom and my dad. My dad is very smart and hardworking and funny. And my mom is very caring, organized, and friendly. They are great role models for me. A role model is like an example you want to follow. These are my siblings. Siblings are brothers and sisters. My brother is older and my sister is younger. This is from when we were small. This is my brother Philip. This is me, Marianne. I am the middle child. He is the oldest and she is the youngest. This is my little sister, Emmanuel. And this is us today. We are a lot older, but we are still very close. I have 2 grandmas. So this grandma is my dad's mom, and this grandma is my mom's mom. My grandmas live far away, but I like to call them and visit them. They are very kind and loving, and their favorite thing is to spend time with their family. These are my cousins on my mom's side of the family. My grandma has 9 grandchildren. So cousins are the people in your family whose parents are siblings with my parents. So my mom's sister has kids and they are my cousins. So these people are all my cousins because we have the same grandma and they are my mom's sister's kids. And my grandma has 9 grandchildren. This is my dad's side of the family. These are my cousins on my dad's side of the family. My grandma has 16 grandchildren and 18 great-grandchildren. So great-grandchildren is when the grandchildren have their own children. So my grandma is here, and the older grandchildren have kids who are the great-grandchildren. This is a very big family, but it's lots of fun. My aunts and uncles came to my high school graduation. So an aunt is your mom or dad's sister, and an uncle is mom or dad's brother. So this aunt is my mom's sister, and this aunt is also my mom's sister. This uncle is my dad's brother, And this is my grandma. This is my uncle's wife. And this is me and my siblings. And they all came to celebrate my graduation from high school. We like to visit our extended family in Canada during winter. So, extended family is grandparents, cousins, aunts, uncles, great grandparents, great grandkids, and all of my extended family lives in Canada, a different country. So, during winter, when it's very cold and snowy outside, we like to go see our family. So here we are playing hockey in the street with my cousins, my uncle, and my grandma. And here we are playing in the snow with my brother and sister, and my cousins. At home, I live with my immediate family. So the opposite of extended family is immediate family. My immediate family is my close family, my mom, dad, brother, and sister. And we all live, the 5 of us live at home together. And we have lots of fun. We like to go outside and walk or run. We like to cook together. We like to listen to music and watch movies. And we like to tell jokes and stories. So, this is my family. And thank you for watching. Bye.